Hi everyone, I'm Mark Hannigan, CEO of Fortior Ventures. Welcome back to our series on the 10 key stages of the industrial investment cycle. We're at the halfway point of the series, having covered already deal origination, due diligence, 100-day planning, portfolio oversight, and strategic planning. This week, we're going to look at bolt-on acquisitions. A bolt-on acquisition happens when a larger established company buys a usually smaller competitor. This can be done to increase, for example, capacity and scale, or market access, or to expand product or technology offering, or to consolidate competitors to improve pricing power and to realize synergy savings. Bolt-on acquisitions are very important because they offer investors an alternative way to create value rather than just organic growth and cost reduction. They also allow investors to create a bigger platform from a series of smaller complementary deals. This approach is called buy and build. Buy and build strategies, if done correctly, allow investors to access a different group of exit buyers and potentially higher returns. There are thousands of examples of bolt-on acquisitions in the industrial and energy space, but to make things easier, think of, for example, a major brewery acquiring a craft beer startup, a power utility buying a smart meter bolt-on company, or a large industrial buying one of its key suppliers for critical capacity. These are all examples of bolt-on acquisitions. The risks that exist in a bolt-on acquisition are quite similar to those that we covered in the 100-day plan section a few weeks back. However, unlike a direct investment transaction, a bolt-on acquisition presents risks in at least two dimensions. Firstly, we have the change of ownership for the company being bolted on, but also entry into the dominant culture of the parent acquirer. Therefore, the need for a proactive and customized 100-day plan is even higher than the base platform transaction. The risks we're trying to mitigate at this stage are talent attrition, trading disruption, the customer base of the bolt-on acquisition losing faith and defecting, infighting and rivalries and silos between the bolt-on and the boltee, the value proposition not realizing or not being well defined after the two companies are merged, or the synergy savings not being realized. Very, very common. The hallmarks of a successful bolt-on acquisition would include the following: a high degree of buy-in to the transaction pre-deal from all stakeholders, key business processes integrated within the first 100 days, a sense of belonging and unity within the combined workforce, a clear understanding of both the rationale for the deal and the enhanced value proposition by the customer, and a clear plan to realize the incremental upside of the combined company. Here at Fortior, we have a best-in-class toolkit for bolt-on acquisitions backed up by dozens of case study examples. If you're considering a bolt-on acquisition or indeed a buy and build strategy, contact us today to find out how we can help. Thanks for your continued interest in our series. Watch out for next week's video, which will be focused on management team development. Have a great week.